Hi, I'm Tanya from the Screen Support team, and today I wanted to give you a short introduction of our HMI database to get you up and running for its usage. Screens will give you the chance of exploring HMIs of different car models without having any trouble yourself, which means you won't have to get through the hustle of spending hours documenting features and functions of the user interfaces, and you also won't have any difficulties in sharing the findings with your colleagues. When using the web application, all you have to do is concentrate on the actual analysis and evaluation, which you can do right from your desk. That being said, let's have a look what Screen specifically offers you to facilitate your work. The HMI database is basically divided into two parts. On the left, you'll find the cockpit, the core of Screens. Here you find two streams displaying all content our benchmarking team has filmed during the production of the digital twin. The videos you see here document their click-through the entire car HMI, which also means they document every single button found within each of the layers. The videos feature all of the automotive user interfaces you find inside the car, so depending on which display you're interested in, you can choose and combine the displays you want to investigate further by clicking the 5 buttons underneath each video player. Apart from the head unit, the head-up display and the instrument cluster, the Screen's benchmarking team also documented how the driver operates the car. For example, pushing knobs on the steering wheel, and also how the car reacts to the driver's action. For example, the car changing its interior color when the driver changes the heating level. To facilitate this feeling of exploring the user interfaces, we decided to really give you the chance of independently navigating yourself through the car HMI. Therefore, our Screen's benchmarking team tagged every button on the automotive displays in their hierarchical order and thus created a so-called navigation tree of the entire car HMI. On the right, you can see an extract of that. It's a clickable navigation structure for the main feature you're currently located in. Every word here matches a button on the actual screens, so by clicking on the play button to the left of the word, the corresponding video clip for the equal button is immediately displayed in the cockpit. Up here are a car's main features you can click and navigate through as well. You can see that every time you click on a new main feature, its particular navigation structure unfolds automatically underneath. Besides those main features, you will also find a rubric called Other, where use cases such as first-time user experience, modalities, or assistance systems are documented. These use cases are permanently being updated, which means that you can potentially find a bunch more use cases in this rubric in a couple of months. However, you can also use the smart search function here on top to easily find a specific feature or driver-car interaction without having to click through the tags within the separate navigation structures. If this entirety of tags is, however, what you want to check out further, have a look on the HMI sitemap, which you can find in the navigation bar on the left. This sitemap, or navigation tree as I referred to already, merges all separate navigation structures of the main HMI features and thus gives you an overview of a car's HMI to the full extent. And, of course, you can once again click any button that catches your eye to play it back in the video cockpit. Well, this was just a little foretaste of our HMI database. If you'd like to get a deep introduction on how to use Screens, you'll find a tutorial on here as well, which explains everything you can do within the web app in detail.